Hey guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I am looking a little bit crusty right now because I am gonna do my hair. It is blow dried, so yeah, we're gonna get that figured out right now. But first, I need to make my little 11 o'clock snack. I don't do this all the time, but I don't know. I'm just craving this, and yeah, I don't know, I just want a snack, so I'm gonna take you guys along and show you guys my midnight snack that I'm eating. Then I am just going to twist my hair because I'm supposed to be going to dinner tomorrow. Hopefully it turns out and doesn't get messed up because I believe tomorrow's supposed to rain, so this is risky business, you guys. But yeah, after that I think I'm just gonna chill out and watch some Netflix or YouTube or whatever. Actually, no, I have to start editing and finish editing tomorrow's vlog because today is Saturday. So yeah, let me hurry up and get all this done because I have work to do and I need to stop procrastinating. Right now my floor and my couch has a whole bunch of clothes on it because I'm going to be waking up tomorrow early and doing a SHEIN try on haul. So by now you guys should have already seen that video, but yeah, let me get to what I need to get to. I'm just gonna light this candle. I really love the scent of it, and it's from Sand and Fog. I showed you guys the other one in my last vlog, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and light this candle. I even like the top. It says choose gratitude. It's super cute. So let's just go ahead and light it, and this is just a nice lemon scent. It's the queso cheese for me. I've been obsessed with this since I was pregnant with my second daughter. Sometimes when my cycle is starting, I like to eat that, so let me go ahead and open that if I can. The way I'm struggling to open this. So I'm just gonna take some out. I know this is not good for me whatsoever, but you only live once. Alright guys, so I got my snack and I just have a mirror over here so that I can do my hair while I'm watching TV. So yeah, I'm just going to finish my hair. I'm just gonna start my hair. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long. I'm not gonna do really small twists. And yeah, and then I am probably just gonna watch some Grey's Anatomy and head to bed early so I can wake up super early. My camera is gonna die, so just so you guys know what I'm using icing on a Curls Dynasty by Curls Dynasty, as well as the Twisted Definition. Although my hair is stretched, I am gonna add a little bit of the Twisted Definition, obviously just to give me some definition for my twist out. I'm not too worried if it shrinks up because my hair is already blow dried, so it's still gonna give me that elongated look, but I am gonna add enough of the Twisted Definition to give me a little bit more hold because it is supposed to be raining and humid tomorrow. So let's get this started. Alright, so I actually have to just kind of edit this week's vlog, which, well, not this week's, it would be last week's vlog, because you guys, this is part of a new vlog. So I just need to do all this stuff on YouTube and make it go live, because right now it is, what time is it? It's 12:30, so I want to have this go live by 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a thumbnail and stuff like that, and then post it so it is live. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna pray that my hair is actually ready to take out. I did go ahead and band it last night. I know you guys didn't see the whole process because my camera ended up dying, and at that point I was just over it. But I'm just gonna take these bands out, and I'm literally just praying that these are dry, you guys. I'm wondering, you know what, I probably am just gonna sit under the dryer just for a little bit longer. I feel like I need to do a life update video, you guys, because there's some things going on that you guys may or may not know, but maybe I should do a life update video like as a separate video. But I am going to dinner with someone special today. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, I feel like there's a few parts that are still a little bit damp, so let me go ahead, sit under the hooded dryer for like 20 minutes, and then I will come back and take them out with you guys. Alright, here we go. This is a moment of truth, you guys. Forgot to put some oil, so let's go ahead and do that, just so I don't get any more extra frizz. This oil that I'm using is from Rayanne. I really like this for my daughter's hair, but I can also use it in my hair as well. So if you're wondering, I did a 3-strand twist out, and I don't know how this is gonna look. Okay, definition, okay. We're here for this. Let me not get too excited because it might not look good when I unravel. That's a whole different story, but for now, I'm here for it. I think what I need to work on with my 3-strand twist outs is like how to finish off the bottom, because I never know if I should like continue 3-strand twisting with the small pieces, or if I should turn it into a 2-strand twist and then coil the ends. So that's always my issue, but I'm really not mad at how this is looking right now. This hair right here, though. I also like, if you guys haven't noticed, I like to lay my edges before I take down my twist. So the same night that I set my twist, I usually lay my edges that night and then tie it down and wake up in the morning and they're nice and ready to go. I just feel like that's just what works better for me. Just a little tip. I ate breakfast. Actually, no, you guys saw my breakfast, but I'm kind of a little bit hungry right now, but I think I'm going to the keg later on and I'm trying to eat. Yeah, girl, trying to eat. So I feel like I'm not gonna eat anything, but then I don't want to not eat anything and get filled up with gas and then like have all these pains and stuff, have to be drinking mint tea and not being able to eat my food. So that's not a good idea. Alright, so I actually am just going to blow dry like the bottom of my hair just to give me some volume and shape the bottom of my hair like kind of in a heart shape. So I will come back to you guys when I do that so you guys can see the difference. Alright guys, so I did start to separate off camera, but I was like, I can't do you guys like that, so I'm deciding to come back on here and show you guys how I unravel. Alright, so I'm not gonna pick it out because you guys know I need my hair to last, but this is how it's looking so far. Oops, I have some in the back that I need to unravel. But I am absolutely loving my hair right now. It looks hella good. And I actually really like my makeup. It has like this like radiant look. I used the new NYX, well, it's not new, it's new to me, the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I was gonna do a full review. Well, I still will do a full review, but I guess it won't be like my first impressions because this is actually the first time I used it, and I actually really like it. It's nice and glowy and summery, so I think I might not even have to redo my makeup. I think if I'm running out of time, then I won't, but we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. But I'm here for this. We look good. Alright, I have a video to film and you guys will be seeing that. You guys have actually already seen the SHEIN try on haul because I posted that on Thursday. But, or maybe I posted it on Tuesday, whatever. You guys probably saw it on Tuesday actually. It doesn't really matter. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey you guys, so we just decided to come to the park and do a little barbecue with my grandmother and my mom, and the girls are just at the splash pad. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Just a little impromptu chilling. The girls are really excited. It's not like super hot, but it's just like hot enough to like do the water park. So yeah, my grandma and my mom are over there just barbecuing and stuff, and then once the girls are done here, hopefully the food will be ready. And yeah, we're just gonna chill out today. Yeah, I know, I see.
But
So,
there's no fish.
there's lots of ducks on this side.